Every parent wants their child to feel loved. But love and emotional connection aren't always the same thing. A child can receive food, shelter, toys, and opportunities, yet still feel emotionally alone and disconnected. The good news is that once we recognize the signs, we can begin rebuilding the connection. One, they stop sharing. There was a time when your child couldn't wait to tell you everything.
Every funny moment, every little problem, every exciting discovery.
Now they simply say, "I'm fine," or "Nothing happened today." Children stop opening up when they believe their feelings won't be fully understood. Silence is often a sign that emotional safety needs to be rebuilt. 2, they try to handle everything alone. Healthy independence is a wonderful thing, but some children become independent too early. Instead of asking for help, they quietly struggle. They believe their problems are theirs to solve, not because they want to, but because they have to.
Every child deserves to know that asking for help is a sign of trust, not weakness.
3, they hide their emotions. Some children laugh when they're hurting. Others smile through disappointment.
It is fine.
Over time, children who feel emotionally unseen learn to hide their true feelings.
Not because they don't have emotions, but because they no longer believe anyone will notice. 4, they seek comfort elsewhere first. Children naturally look for emotional safety. If they turn to teachers, grandparents, or friends before you, it may be worth asking why. Five, they rarely ask for attention. Some become louder, others become quieter. They stop asking you to play, stop showing drawings, and stop inviting you in. Not because they don't want your attention, but because they've stopped expecting it. 6, overly eager to please. At first, this may seem like great, polite behavior, but underneath, they carry a hidden fear. If I disappoint them, maybe they won't love me. They become irritable, withdrawn, or unusually clingy. Behavior is always a form of communication. 8, they believe their feelings don't matter. They minimize their own pain, saying, "It's okay." They've learned their feelings won't change anything. But every child deserves to feel valued. If you recognize these signs, please don't panic or blame yourself. Parenting is a journey. The most important thing is what you choose to do next. Spend a few extra minutes listening.
Put away the phone. Offer one more hug. Small moments of connection heal deep wounds.
Be present. Subscribe to Better Kids Daily for more gentle parenting insights. Thank you for watching.